Good morning, everybody. Spirit wants us to know that we've come a long way. Do not feel stuck and tied down anymore, but they want us to carry on paying attention to our health. Our fortune teller card is your intuition is your greatest guide. Trust your inner voice. Make a wish upon a star and expect the very best to come of it. Be honest with yourself. There is something in the balance that requires careful handling. There is money balance coming in your way, and that's going to bring you a raise in your money. There's also happiness coming your way, so that's great. You've changed your perspective in your life and you've become more confident, enthusiastic, and courageous within yourself. You let go of regrets and troubles and things that just don't serve you anymore. You've made yourself a priority and you've found new passions to move forward with. You trust in your higher self and you are in deep gratitude for the help and guidance you receive from your angels. Um, they say that the most difficult part of a situation is over. You've detached from a lot of things, and it's time for you to slow down and celebrate yourself. You're on a new path. That's wonderful. Um, these rulings and that are made in your favor, they say don't give up. There's good news coming your way and victory in some endeavors. The angels are sending you loads of love. They're giving you a helping hand and they want security for you. There is growth in your life, in your relationships, your wisdom, and most definitely money coming your way. We also got once again those two cards, the Ace of Pentacles popped out again, and that is material wealth, financial um, um, gifts from the earth. And this is going to take you completely out of your stress mode and make you feel more peaceful and happy. Be in the now, be happy where you are at. You are doing great. And our loved ones want us to know that we must raise our vibration. Your intuitive feelings are accurate. Messages from the angels. You are receiving signs and messages from the angels. I love you all. Bye for now.